Slightly different video from me today. Recently, I have purchased an AutoFinesse. This is fully paid, by the way. I'm not sponsored at all. AutoFinesse Revitalise paint machine finish kit thing. I will be using that on my EP3 that is going to be up for sale real soon, and I wanted to try it and see how good this product actually is before I go jumping into the EP3. Now, I'm not a detailer by any means. I hate getting my hands dirty, so that's why I'm gonna wear gloves. I have this wonderful little MX-5 that has never had any paint correction done on it. We pulled it out of a bush, we did give it a clean up, gave it a slight machine polish, but not with like proper products. It was like, and the whole car didn't get done either. It was only for certain panels because we just couldn't be bothered. So I'm gonna do this front wing first and just see how it goes. So you can see there's some imperfections in the paint anyway. And it's not very good. I have only cleaned it with Speed Detailer as well. The car has been outside for quite a while. So I'm just going to be doing this just because I want to document the car, obviously, but also I wanted to try this product out. So I normally use AM Details. I'm going to use AutoFinesse today. I did clean it with AM Detailer. This stuff, I really like this stuff, and it smells amazing. I've detailed this real light, just sprayed it and wiped it down. I'm going to be using an old Meguiar's DA that I've had. I've put the thing I like instantly about this, if anybody of you are nervous like I am about doing this stuff, AutoFinesse like detail everything. So it's just number 1, and then you use bottle number 1. And it's quite hard to go wrong because it's got all of the details on the back. So that's an instant, okay, cool, I'm ready and I'm going to try this. They also send this tape. And what I thought I'd do is I'd go straight down like here, put the tape down there, and we can see the difference on each side. So I'll do this front bit first because I can't be bothered to work my way around that light straight away. I thought that'd be kind of cool, and it's a different type of video. I'm trying out a load of stuff this year. As I've mentioned, YouTube is no way ever going to be my main source of income, so I might as well use it just to have as much fun as I possibly can. And I wanted to give this a go. So yeah, that's what's going to happen today. Okay, cool, so the line is now marked on the car. So, like I said, one thing I really like about this is it details everything. Now, just putting it out there, I'm not that good at cleaning cars. Like, I enjoy it in the summer. It is currently winter and it's freezing. I'm gonna just kind of wing this. I wanted something to do today. I've actually got a ton of jobs I should be doing, but I'd just rather not do it, so I'm gonna do something else. They say I put 2 to 4 little pea-sized dots on the thing, but because we're only gonna do like a quarter of this, like half of this panel, I think we'll just put 2 on. And then we'll read the instructions and see what it says to do next. So yeah, let's do that. It also says to shake, 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 shake. So this is it. I like how it says number 1 on the bottle. Super clear and easy to people like myself. So that gets a big thumbs up straight away. So now, we've got to do the pea-sized bits. Ah! Come out a bit quicker than I had hoped. That's what she said. Cool. Done. Okay, so now I'm going to do this front panel here. I might need to move you guys a little bit because you're a bit in me way. So we're going to do this side of the panel first. So let's just see how it goes. You know, why not? Let me just read the instructions one more time. Just dab it on places. I see people doing that on the videos. God, this thing is well hard. Should I have wetted this first? Ah! Lost the tape. I'm sure there was a speed thing on this thing, or have I got 2 of these? So mine only has a 1-speed option. I can't work out how to really use it. Oh no, it's on the bottom. Oh. Okay, well I did that wrong then. I need to work my way back down to speed 2. Like, come on, get with me. Right, let's wipe that off instantly. Oh, like it tells you to. Wow, it looks actually really good already. This is just stage 1. So that is stage 1 done. We've got 2 more stages to do. It already looks lovely. Like, I don't know whether I should re-tape this up or put more over it because it did come off mid whatever we're doing, but wow, it looks really nice. Now, I'm actually going to try and look after this for a change, unlike I do with everything else. So I'm actually going to put this back. These are, I think it was about 85. I think this was about £85 for this kit. So I want to look after it, obviously, because, well, £85 is a lot of money. But if this brings this paint back up real nice and I've been able to do it myself, then it would have been worth it. So, right, let's look at stage 2. Maybe I should have got everything out of the packet first before doing this, because it actually comes with a pad preparator. So it preps the pad before you put this stuff on. Okay, well there we go, we've learned something new, but I'll do that to this one first. Yeah, it should be sweet. We'll see how we get on with this one. So this is number 2. It comes with pad number 2. Easy to use for idiots like me. So I'm happy with that. Ow! God damn it, man. Oh. That smells incredible. It smells like strawberry yogurt. That is banging. So once again, everything's on the back of this pad. I'm gonna have a little read before I do this. Right, so what I'm going to do real quick is I'm just going to add more tape to this because it's really irritating me, and then we can carry on. But it's looking pretty good. The marks that are in it, there's only one scratch I can still see. There, it's annoying, but I mean there's a lot of little paint issues on the car anyway, but that's come out really nice to be fair. Wow, right, stage 3 up and coming, but let's replace this tape first. So, added some new tape to the car, got the old spray pad preparator here to chuck on. Number 3, like I said, I really love how they number everything. It makes it so much easier. Number 3, right here. So we're going for the reds. Well, pink on this one. Yeah, I'm just looking forward to seeing how it comes out. I think doing a whole car like this would take some time now. I understand why detailers charge so much money, but it's nice to be able to have the skill at home for someone like myself that isn't particularly massively obsessed with cleaning cars, but I can definitely see just from the few minutes that I'm doing this now that this could become, oh my god, that is not the best place for that mark to be there. But yeah, it's interesting to give it a go. It's got guests all turned up, look. Actually, you guys can vouch for me. How often do I clean my cars and how much do I enjoy doing it? I'm looking at you, Zach.
You clean them every day, you just act big on camera.
Oh, come on. This isn't even a jokey video. I was actually trying to be like regular for a change.
You hate it and you pay people to do it.
Yep. Normally the Romanians down near the gym. For me, actually doing this is a big thing, but there we go. You can kind of see the massive difference already. Shall I get a torch on this? Is that how people do it? Perfect opportunity to use the Einhell torch. Look at that. There we go. So this is the bit we've done. It looks actually good, which is surprising for me. And then this is the bit we haven't done yet. Zach, can you like cleaning cars? Can you come and just judge my work?
Just give it a, yeah.
You can see, you can actually, I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but there's actually a line there.
Yeah, there's loads of difference.
It looks wicked, doesn't it? I don't feel bad about spending £90 now. I think that was super worth it. Oh. This stuff gets a thumbs up from me. Let me just lay it out so you can see what you get, and then we'll crack on. So here are the contents of the box. Super simple. I'm not quite sure what you'd use this thing for. Zach, what would you use the brush for on a Oh. Well, there you go. I learn something new every day. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm actually like super happy with that. I'm gonna have to do the rest of that panel now because it's gonna do my OCD in. Yeah, gets a thumbs up from me. Just a quick update. I have finished doing this arch and it's come out absolutely incredible, I think. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now we're gonna see if we can tidy up this super dull wing mirror. Now, it might not do anything good, but if it does, that would be super cool. It's worth a go though. Okay, so a real quick update. It's actually got a lot of blue on the pad itself, but that's just stage 1, and look at how good that's come up. I can't believe it, it looks brand new. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up this with the other 2 stages now, and then we'll crack on and see how it looks at the end. Wow. Okay, so stage 3 is done. I've done both the other parts now. Look at how incredible that's come up. That is like mirror shine, that is amazing. I've worked out why it had some overpaint on it, because there's a little scratch on the wing mirror there. But that is amazing. Now, just for comparison, the driver's side is pretty bad too. And then that's what it was like before, like a real matte finish. I am so impressed with this. Like, legit, I'm so impressed. I think this is incredible. You have to excuse this video being a bit all over the place. I weren't expecting all the guys to turn up, so it's nice to see all of those. That wing mirror looks incredible now, but it has left a lot of blue residue on the pads, so I don't know whether they just had like a really thin lacquer on it or something, but you'll see on this side how like matte finished they looked before I tackled it. So I'm gonna do this one shortly, but I wanna finish that side of the car first. And we'll just have another look at this side, at how shiny it now looks over here and how amazing it's come out. I literally cannot believe how good this product is. Like I said, this isn't a sponsor post. I'm not like affiliated with AutoFinesse in any way. I'm just testing one of their products as a basic guy that doesn't really do this very often. And I'm giving it a go, and I cannot believe how good it's come out. So I'm gonna do a bit more of the car. Probably won't do the whole thing today because it's so cold and my dog over there is having an absolute moment. He hates this weather. Got the heater on though, down here, warming up the garage now. So I'm gonna crack on, guys. I'm gonna keep going and I'll update you when it's done. I might even do the whole thing, but I'm definitely gonna do all of this side now, especially now the guys are gone. I can chuck some music on and just enjoy. So this door has some issues with the finish. I'll just zoom in here so you can see. There's some marks just up the side of the door. Get my finger in there, just here. So it'd be interesting to see if this gets these out. Yeah, I'm gonna do this door next. I'm really enjoying this. So I've just done the first half of this on stage 3. See how it comes out. I'll do the second half of the door in a moment, obviously, but let's give this a good old wipe. Oh my god, man, it looks so much better. Wow. I don't know if you can see the line on the camera, but you can. I've got the light out here, and this is where I stopped. And the colour difference is insane. Wow, man, I can't believe how good this is. Man, it looks so good. So I can get the light on here. So the paint looks so much better than it did. It's actually insane. It didn't really get out the marks I'd hoped that it'd get out on the door. So maybe that needs some more treatment. You can see there's not that clean down there on the chassis itself, but overall, man, this has like not been treated yet. You see that's not been treated, but this has been. And I think it's come out absolutely beautiful. I can't believe it, man. That's so good. Right, I've now done this whole side of the car, and I'm gonna put my torch on my phone if I can get it to, my back aches a little bit, not gonna lie. It would be better to be able to do this on a ramp, I think, so. But you can see, oh, it's actually got a bit dusty. I have now finished this whole side of the car. So front wing here, which actually looks amazing compared to how it did look. Still not perfect, but like I said, I'm just a normal guy doing this. Then we've got the door, looks so much better. The wing mirror looks insane. It's never been shiny before. So that, I can't believe how well that come up. Going down the door now and the rear quarter, and it's got rid of all of the scratches that were like deep imprinted in there. Sorry, it's a bit dust. God damn it, this garage gets so dusty so fast. So yeah, the rear quarter looks incredible. All of them scratches are gone. There's just some real light surface scratches left on there. Maybe I just didn't do it right with that machine. My dog's being a good boy, aren't you, buddy? We'll go for a walk in a minute. But overall, it is amazing. I can't believe it. I haven't wiped that off properly either. Yeah, overall, I just need to go over it again really quick with a cloth and maybe detail it to get rid of some of the aftermath of the polish and stuff. But I can't believe how good that kit is for such a basic home detailing kit. I'm very impressed. Yeah, very impressed. I think we're in the position where I can end the video. Obviously, the whole car needs doing. I don't really have time today to do the whole thing. But from what we've seen, and the differences between the wing mirrors and the differences between the arches and doors, etc., I'm over the moon. I highly recommend this kit. Like I said, this isn't sponsored. I haven't been paid. I just ordered this off their website. Like, I recommend it highly. I think this is fantastic. We'll be doing the other cars with this and also using this to touch up the EP3 too. Take another look at that. That is incredible. considering I pulled this car out of a bush. That is amazing. Amazing. Wow. Right guys, I've never really done a video like this where it's like a serious detailing product review, so if you've enjoyed it, leave a like. If you didn't, I'm sorry. There'll be plenty more chaotic videos to come in the future. If you don't mind and you are new, if you could hit subscribe, turn on the bell. I've been told by a few people the videos aren't getting even like on their recommended stuff and their viewers and mine, so that kind of sucks. So I'm sorry if that's not happening, but that isn't up to me, that's up to YouTube. Thank you very much for watching, my dudes. I'll see you again in the next video, whenever that may be. Peace.